Okay, we're going to turn these over. Look at those beautiful grill marks. Isn't that wonderful? That's exactly what we're looking for.
Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking at Pam's Place. I'm Chef Pam and we're getting ready to make boneless, grilled, juicy honey mustard pork chops. Oh my goodness, that was a mouthful. And if you want to learn how to make all kind of homemade food and dishes, easy, simple, made from scratch, go ahead, take a second and subscribe to the channel. Turn on the notification bell, make sure it's set to all so you'll always get my recipes. And just keep hanging around because I have a whole channel full of recipes that'll get you there. Let's get busy. Okay, so we have some 1.5 inch thick chops here. They are pretty meaty and boneless and they are thick. First thing we need to do is make our marinade and get them marinated. You want to marinate them anywhere from 30 minutes to overnight. Then we're going to set up our grill, get it good and hot. We're going to go outside and get this done. I'll have all of these ingredients down in the description. All you have to do is come back to the video and click on it and go down to the bottom and you will see all the ingredients and exact measurements. Now I'm going in with some honey. I'm just putting this in a plain old Ziploc bag. Mustard, dry mustard, apple cider vinegar, minced garlic, basil, and salt. Now you want to go ahead and zip it up really nice and tight. Make sure you get as much air out of the bag as you can when you zip it up for the first time. So just press it down, make sure you get that air out of there. Then just go ahead and smush it up, mash it up, get it all mixed up. That's all we're doing is getting all of these good old ingredients mixed up together. Real easy, real simple, guys. And while we're doing this, guys, if you would do me a favor and go ahead, take a second and share the video out. I really would appreciate it. Okay, now we're gonna put our chops in here and make sure they're well coated too. Again, release the air. Okay, we're gonna sit these in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes to an hour while we get everything else ready, and we'll be back. Okay, our grill is nice and hot, so we want to remove our chops from the marinade and we're going to drain the excess off. Any extra can be just drained off. Then we're going to heat this extra marinade up on high, creating a sauce form. So we want to pour it into the pot. Okay, we're going to head outside and we'll be back. Okay, our grill should be good and hot. And we're going to sear these off. We've got a hot spot here in the middle, so we're going to cook them first. First side down. Hear that sizzle? And we'll turn them over once after about 3 to 5 minutes, and we'll be back. Okay, we're going to boil this down for maybe about 3 or 4 minutes, just until it becomes a nice, rich, thick sauce. But before we do that, we're going to drain it so we won't have our onions and things inside of it. Okay, we're going to head over to the stove and we'll be right back. Okay, we're just going to boil this until it becomes a nice, rich, thick sauce. That's about 2 or 3 minutes. Once it boils down a little bit, it'll be ready.
Okay, we're going to turn these over. Look at those beautiful grill marks. Isn't that wonderful? That's exactly what we're looking for. Okay, guys, we're going to let these cook on this side, then we're going to move into a cooler spot on the grill. We'll let them cook for about 10 more minutes, but we're just going to sear off the second side. Okay guys, we are done at this particular point in time. We want to reach an internal temperature of 145, which we have done that. Only thing now we need to do is let them rest. So thank you all so much for coming and hanging out with me. I really do appreciate each and every one of you all. Just put your sauce right over the top. Right over the top, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on that notification bell. And I will see you next time. The good Lord willing and the creek don't rise.